Sakshi, welcome to Bollywood Tutorials with me, and today I'm going to teach you the bangle step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the bangle step. Bangle step is used in lot of Bollywood song and lot of folk songs of India as well. What is bangle step? Bangle step is basically appreciating the bangles that I'm wearing, and that's expressed through dance, and it is used a lot in Bollywood songs. So bangles in my hand, I close and I open, close, open, close, open, close, open. So again, this step is a part of women getting ready. It's a part, it depicts grace, elegance. And so another variation of the bangle step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. So close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. This side, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Now you can add folk step to it to make it more interesting. So the folk step is again the dip, which I have taught in my previous video. If you don't know it, I want you to go and refer to the video and learn the folk step. It's very important part of Bollywood dancing and folk dances of India. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will add the bangle step to it. The bangle step has to be done very gracefully. All the feminine movements which I've been teaching you till now have to be done with grace and elegance. So what should be your thought when you're doing this step is like, my hands are very pretty, the bangles that I'm wearing are very pretty, smile and enjoy the move, feel your beauty and do this step, because these are graceful moves and they need to come through your body language and your expressions. Okay, feel your beauty and do the move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more variation of the bangle step is just twist your wrist. Okay, so twist, 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 subtle twist, twist, twist. And you can, footwork you can do is 1, you can add the waist step to it. It's just the waist. You're standing on ball of your foot, waist dropping down, 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 and you move down, 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 down. Again I repeat, down. So the breakup is up, down, up, down. When you do it fast, you don't see your waist going upwards. So it goes just drop, 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 drop. So I add the bangle step to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another variation, you can even do it with your waist going up, which is up, 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 up. This is down, down, up, up. Knee coming up, up, down, down. Okay? So up, 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 down, 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 down. You can even do this on your place, like up, 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 down, 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 down. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the tutorials. Please practice it with expressions and the right thought, and I'm sure you're going to get it right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll be back with another tutorial soon. Bye bye, take care, happy Bollywood dancing.